So the benefits of stopping outages and saving time and increased security, the great benefits for the organization. Sometimes, though, a load balancer administrator will have a concern or a question about how do I stay in control of the machines I'm responsible for if automation is being tied to some other system. And one of the beautiful things about the Venafi integration with load balancers, and by the way, we've got those integrations for F5, for Netscaler, for Avi, for a lot of the most popular load balancers. We've done the integration in a way that keeps the load balancer admin in control of what's happening on their box. The automation still goes through your approval process and gives you the opportunity to ensure that it aligns with your maintenance windows and just keeps you in control. You really should take a look at the Venafi integrations available for the load balancers that you use. You'll see the benefits and the ease of use, and I think what you'll discover is the same thing a bunch of our other customers have, that it's a real savings and a huge benefit for you as a load balancer admin.